Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be breaking into our operator series, and we need to talk about a built-in function that we have not talked about yet, and I kind of can't believe it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. Today we're going to be talking about the slice function. It creates a slice object. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So like I said, it's a built-in, so we don't have to import anything. As we can see, it's purple, it's already a function. And okay, so here we go. We understand start, stop, step. We know all about that. So also, I want to also make you aware that, again, if you are new, make sure you stay tuned until the end to watch any videos that you may not have seen before. So let's just go ahead and print X. Oops, sorry. So we have a list with with 10 digits, 10 integers, 0 through 9. Now let's go ahead and make our slice object. So what is actually, let's just see how we use it. So slice, and we just pass and start. Let's start and stop. Okay, so that's weird. Oh, wait a second. So do I use this? So have you ever had the one, and we're really going to use it when we get back to our operator. But you remember how we've had multiple variables and we're going through and we're having to augment and increment and things like that? Well, this is where this would be a perfect example. So let's go y slice, then 3 to 6, close this out. Now let's do what we normally see. So actually let's do this. Print X and block this out, and then let's go ahead and run this. Aha! So now my slice object is literally 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 4, 5, excluding 6. So you can actually make the slice object your slicing, and then you can make and go from there. So we're going to see an absolute awesome use of this when we jump back to our operator series. So please drop any comments, questions, any video requests. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.